Good morning, student. Let's begin today's topic: IUPAC nomenclature of elements. The continuation of the chapter 3, classification of elements and periodicity of the properties. Now, next topic is, what is our next topic? IUPAC nomenclature. International Union Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature, okay, of elements with atomic number is greater than 100. Okay, the names are derived directly from the atomic number using numerical roots 4, 0 and numbers from 1 to 9. Numerical roots by using numerical roots 0 and 1 to 9. Okay, so you have to learn the numerical roots. What are the roots? First, you have to make a table. There is digit. Okay, now root and then its abbreviation. Okay, now 0. If digit is 0, root is nil. And abbreviation is N. Okay, when digit is 1 and this root is N, you have to learn this table and you have to write abbreviation U. Clear? Now second is by BI and you have to write B. Now again third is try. Okay, and symbol is T. Next digit is 4. Now root is quad. Okay, quad, not quad, quad, and abbreviation is Q. Clear? Next digit is 5. We can write root pent and symbol is P. Now next 6 is known as hex, H-E-X, and symbol is H. Now clear? Next is 7. 7 is known as set. Digit is 7 and the root is set. And how to represent? By S. Okay. Now 8 is known as oct and abbreviation is O. Clear? Next, last one, 9 in E-double-N. How to write E-double-N in and abbreviation is E. So clear? You have to learn this table for the nomenclature. Now I again repeat what is the digit and what are their root. 0, you have to write down 0 means nil. Okay, 1 un, 2 by, 3 try, 4 quart, 5 pen, 6 hex, 7 is sept. Okay, don't write hept. 7 sept, 8 oct, and for 9 in. Okay, so now recommended and official name. Their official name and recommended name. Like example is Z is 101. Okay, what is the recommended name? Recommended name. And next is IUPAC official name. IUPAC official name. After discovery, the symbol and name. Okay, and their symbol. What is the symbol? First, Z101 after 100. IUPAC nomenclature, the atomic number after 100. So 101. So what is the recommended name? 1 means, I already tell you what is the 1? Anu. Okay. 0 means nil. And 1 means again unium. So what is the name? Unnailium. After discovery, this is known as the Mendelevium. After discovery, its name is Mendelevium. Okay, and symbol is MD. Mendelevium. So here question is arises, write down the IUPAC name of the Z equal to 120, 180, 190 and anything. So you have to write, and this is the official name. After the discovery of this element is given Mendelevium. Next is 102. So you have to write 120 up to 120. Okay, 102 again on, yes, nil, and 2. What is 2? Bium. It's clear. And what is its recommended official name? Nobelium. Its name is Nobelium. What is the symbol of Nobelium? NO. Okay. Now write down in continuity. After 102, (103). Yes, try to write 103 Unnailed Trillium. Z. Okay. Then recommended name. Next, official name. IUPAC official names. In continuity. Next is 103. So you have to write down all the name. It's your homework. 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Okay. I will tell you the official name. So you have to write down and complete this table. How to write? What is 1? Again un. And 3 means trium, unnil trium. And write down its name. 103 is Lawrencium, LR symbol, and Lawrencium. This part is not necessary to learn. Okay. 104 Rutherfordium, RF, Rutherfordium. Their name is given respect to name of the scientist, respect to discovery of the place. Next is 105. Its name is Dubnium. Symbol is Db. It's clear? 106 Seaborgium. Okay, you can take help your periodic table. And Seaborgium symbol is Sg. 107 Bohrium. And symbol is again BH. 108 Husnium. Symbol is HS. Okay, generally these elements are present in your 7 period. Okay. Husnium. 109 Meitnerium. Next name is Nerium. Meitnerium. Empty. What is the symbol? Empty. Next, Unnerium. 110 means Unnerium. What is the 110? Unnerium. So you have to practice. You have to write down all the name. In last used un as a suffix. Next 110. What is the name given? Dermstadium. DARM stadium. And what is its symbol? Its symbol is DS. Always learn first letter is capital and second is small. Don't write both capital, don't write both small letter. Okay? Now again 111. How to write its name? Ununium. 111. You have to write 120 up to 120. Generally question asked for 120, 118, 119. Atomic number. What is the IUPAC name? Don't write the official name. Okay? And 111. Number 111. Ununium. Clear? Ununium. Now what is its official name which is given? Official name is Rontgenium. RG. Rontgenium. ROENT. Rontgenium. And the symbol is RG. Clear? Next is 112. Unbium. What is its name is given? Copernicium. CN. Copernicium. And what is its name? The symbol CN. Unbium. think you can write now all the name. 1, 1, 3. Trium. Okay. Trium. What is its name? Nihonium. And the symbol is again like NH. Don't write Ni. Ni is nickel. Okay. Next is 1, 1, 14. Flerovium. 1, 1, 14. Unquadium. What is its name? Flerovium. Flerovium. Okay, it's clear to you? Next, 115. 115. Okay, atomic number is 115. Pentium. Its name is Moscovium. MC. Its name is Moscovium. And what is its symbol? MC. Now, write down 116. Okay? 116. What's its name? Hexium. Clear to you? Hexium. Livermorium. 116. Its name is liver. Okay, Liver. Livermorium. And its symbol is Lv. Clear? Next, 117. What its name? IPC? Unseptium. And its name is Tennessine. 117. Its name is Tennessine. And its symbol is TS. Okay. Now 118. 118. Unoctium. What's its name? Unoctium. And it's known as Ognason. Its name is Ognason. And what's its symbol? OG. Clear to you? Next is 119. What's its name? Unhelium. And 120 is Unbillium. Clear? Unenium. There is no name given yet. Okay. So it's clear, all of you. And after atomic number 100, all elements are called super heavy element. What are super heavy element? Okay, super heavy elements, which are those elements have atomic number more than 100. So these are called the super heavy element. Super heavy element. Clear, all of you? Now it's enough for today class. Have a nice day. Thank you.